Hi everybody, I'm back with another Merlin Minute around the serial to contract API integration. Now if you've ever had to support or manage or deal with a large enterprise network, it could be made up of tens of thousands of individual components, each with their own contract status, under contract or not under contract, which means you can or cannot RMA a part or open up a support case against a particular component. A lot hinges on this contractual state of your device. Well, at that scale, how do you do it? How do you manage it? Well, with Merlin, we can click a button, the Get Serial to Contract changes, and it's going to check the state of the network, check the API, do a differential against a record set in the database, and tell us whether or not a part has changed its contract state. And here we can see that this has been removed, is covered, and this has been added, is not covered. All in the click of a button, we can stay on top of the state of our contracts of the network using Merlin.